I've wasted thousands of dollars on detailing gear so you don't have to. If your garage shelves look like a graveyard of useless bottles, cheap brushes, and gimmicks that promised the world but delivered nothing, you are in the right place. Today I'm showing you 15 detailing tools I'd buy again in a heartbeat, and 3 popular, highly rated ones that are total trash. Let's save you some time, some frustration, and most importantly, some money. Every single tool that actually works is linked in the description below so you can upgrade your arsenal right after the video. Let's jump right in. At number 1 is the Foshio plastic razor blade scraper. Let's be honest, using a metal razor blade anywhere near a car's clear coat is completely terrifying. If you deal with PPF glue, old dealership badges, or stubborn window decals, you absolutely need this. For around 10 bucks, you get 2 ergonomic holders and 100 replacement blades. It will not scratch the paint. The angled head gives you perfect leverage to lift edges safely, and it saves your fingernails from getting destroyed. Total no-brainer for any detailer. Coming in at number 2, the Ethos Foam Tire Shine Applicator. Stop using cheap kitchen sponges or thin foam pads that fall apart on the first tire. This tool has a built-in hard ergonomic grip. Why is that important? Because it keeps the greasy, sticky dressing completely off your hands and fingers. Plus, the dense foam absorbs just the right amount of product, meaning you won't get that annoying product sling all over your freshly washed side panels when you drive away. Number 3 is an absolute beast, the Rag Company Liquid 8R Drying Towel. If you're still using a leather chamois or a cheap bath towel, throw it away right now. This is a super thick and heavy twist loop microfiber towel. It literally drinks water on contact. The biggest nightmare for detailers is water spots drying in the sun before you can wipe them up. With this, you just lay it flat, pull it across the hood, and the paint is bone dry in a single pass with 0 scratches. It cuts your drying time in half. Number 4. If you apply ceramic coatings, listen up closely. You need the Rag Company Wrap and Tuck Suede Kit. When you buy expensive all-in-one foam applicator blocks, they harden up after one use, and you have to throw the whole thing in the trash. This kit is the ultimate hack. It gives you a reusable, squishy foam block and 20 super soft disposable suede cloths. You just wrap the cloth, tuck it into the side slits, apply your coating flawlessly without high spots, and toss the cheap cloth when you're done. It is insanely cost-effective. Wrapping up our first block is the Chemical Guys Premium Microfiber Applicator 8-pack. With a soft foam core wrapped in plush microfiber, these are my absolute go-to for interior detailing. When you are applying leather conditioners, plastic protectants, or paint sealants, you want an even coat without oversaturating the surface. They contour to the curves of your seats and dashboard perfectly. Plus, they're machine washable and last forever. But before you spend a single dime on more gear, you need to see this first massive fail: the ExoForma Flow Tire Shine Applicator. The idea sounds revolutionary on paper, a pump system that feeds your tire dressing directly into the pad. But in the real world, it is a total mess. It overcomplicates a ridiculously simple task. It can leak if you store it sideways in your detailing bag, and if you want to switch to a different brand of tire shine, it takes forever to clean out the reservoir. Save your money. Stick to a simple foam block and a spray bottle. Back to the good stuff. Number 6. The Lyapeony Fine Grade Clay Towels. Traditional clay bars are great, but they take forever. And the worst part? If you accidentally drop a piece of clay on the ground, it's ruined. You have to throw it away because it picks up dirt that will scratch your car. This 12x12 mesh hollow towel changes the entire game. Spray your synthetic lube and wipe. It covers a massive surface area, deconning your paint and glass in half the time. And if you drop it, just rinse it off in your wash bucket and keep going. Number 7 is the Autofiber Scrub Ninja Max. This is a massive game changer for deep cleaning filthy interiors. It's a sponge core wrapped in aggressive but safe nylon bristles. Have you ever tried to get sunscreen, makeup, or embedded dirt out of the textured pores of a leather seat? A regular towel won't do it. The Scrub Ninja digs deep into those pores on seats and plastic door panels, lifting years of grime effortlessly without scratching the material. Number 8. Gyeon Odor Remover Spray. Most cheap gas station air fresheners just mask bad smells with heavy, overpowering chemicals that give you a headache. This is completely different. It's a water-based formula that actually neutralizes and kills the bacteria causing the foul smell. Once the smell is gone, it leaves behind a clean, sophisticated, high-end scent that makes the cabin feel like a brand new luxury car. Wait, before we get to the next tool, remember, in the detailing world, expensive doesn't always mean better. But number 9 completely delivers on its price tag: the Adams Polishes Swirl Killer 12mm cordless polisher. Now, for heavy multi-stage paint correction, I still prefer the endless power of a corded machine. But for one-step polishes, applying liquid wax, or doing quick spot corrections on a bumper, cutting the cord is incredible. You aren't dragging a wire over the car's paint. It's beautifully balanced, smooth, and finishes down perfectly. Number 10 is the Maxshine 2-in-1 Foam Pad Cleaning Brush. Stop ripping your expensive buffing pads off the backing plate with your bare fingers. You will stretch the foam and ruin the Velcro backing. Use the wedge side of this tool to safely separate the pad. More importantly, use the stiff nylon bristles to brush out dried compound while you work. If your pad is clogged with clear coat and dried polish, it stops cutting and just generates dangerous heat. Keep your pads clean with this brush. Time for our second total waste of money, the Detail Factory Fender Well Brush. Now, don't get me wrong, Detail Factory makes some of the most amazing, ultra soft interior brushes on the market, but this Fender brush totally misses the mark. The bristles are way too soft. When you're scrubbing caked on mud, tar, and road grime inside a plastic wheel well, you need aggressive, stiff bristles that you can put some real muscle behind. This brush just folds and collapses under pressure. Skip it entirely. The second trap was bad, but the final one at the end of the list? It's the biggest waste of all. Stick around for that. Moving on to number 11, the Chemical Guy's Happy Ending Edgeless Towel. Think about this. When you spend 10 hours washing, claying, and polishing a car to absolute perfection, the last thing you want is a cheap, scratchy towel putting micro-marring back into the soft clear coat during your final wipe down. These purple, ultra-plush edgeless towels are ridiculously soft. They grab onto polish residue and wipe it away like absolute butter. Number 12, the Rag Company Edgeless 365 Microfiber Towels. This is your ultimate daily driver towel. Coming in a 10-pack, this premium, ultra-soft 70-30 blend has a genius dual pile construction. Use the short nap side for leveling and wiping away stubborn waxes or sealants, and flip to the fluffy side for quick detailers and final buffing. At this price point, you simply cannot find a better, safer bulk towel for everyday shop use. Number 13 kicks off our heavy correction lineup with the Griot's Garage Boss Microfiber Fast Cutting Pads. These 9mm plush pads are incredibly unique because they do not have a foam interface. That means 100% of your dual action polisher's energy and rotation goes straight into the paint. If you are working on a notoriously hard clear coat, these pads absolutely destroy deep defects and severe oxidation. At number 14, the CarPro Microfiber Heavy Cutting Pad. This pad is incredibly robust. The combination of the microfiber face and the ventilated green foam interface is brilliant. That foam layer manages heat beautifully when you are pushing hard on curved, intricate body panels, preventing the pad from delaminating. For an aggressive cut with a very smooth operating feel, this is an instant rebuy for my cart. And rounding out our buys at number 15, Lake Country 6.25-inch microfiber cutting pads. Lake Country makes some of the most durable, battle-tested pads on the planet. The fibers on this specific pad are designed to mat down less quickly than cheaper alternatives. This keeps your operating temperatures low and your cutting power consistently high panel after panel. It saves you money in the long run because they simply don't fall apart. But wait, here is the final tool you need to avoid at all costs. The Maxshine Medium Universal White Classic Detailing Brush. Marketed for heavy exterior cleaning, the synthetic bristles are just way too flimsy. If you spray a heavy degreaser in an engine bay and try to agitate years of grease, or scrub a dirty brake caliper, the bristles just splay out and lose all their scrubbing power. You end up relying entirely on the chemical instead of the brush. There are much better, stiffer options out there for exterior work. Don't waste your time here. So there you have it, the tools that actually make detailing faster, safer, and more profitable, and the ones you should definitely leave on the shelf. If you want to upgrade your detailing arsenal without the guesswork, you can find the direct links to all my highly recommended products in the description below. Hit that like button if this video saved you some money, subscribe for more honest auto gear reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.